Anacondas, the largest snake in the world. These giants can grow over 29 feet long and weigh more than 500 pounds. Anacondas are native to swamps and rivers of South America, and they're expert swimmers. They can hold their breath underwater for up to 10 minutes. They hunt by ambushing their prey, which can include fish, birds, and even large mammals like deer and capybaras. Despite their fearsome reputations, they are just giant snakes. They are vital players in the rich tapestry of the life in the Amazon.